What you'll learn in this video: the anatomy of a click-worthy thumbnail, text, images, and colors that work, the best tools to create thumbnails even if you're a beginner, a step-by-step guide to designing eye-catching thumbnails, common mistakes that hurt your click-through rate, and how to fix them. How to create click-worthy thumbnails that skyrocket your views. Your thumbnail is the first impression your video makes, so why settle for average? In this video, I'm breaking down the exact steps to create click-worthy thumbnails that grab attention, increase your click-through rate, and help your videos blow up on YouTube. Let's get started. The importance of thumbnails. Why thumbnails matter. Think of your thumbnail as a billboard for your video. It's what convinces someone to stop scrolling and click. Click-through rate explained. Higher equals more views, more recommendations, and more growth. The anatomy of a click-worthy thumbnail. Keep text minimal, no more than 3 to 5 words. Use large fonts that are easily read, and strong visual contrast. Use contrasting colors to make your thumbnail stand out. Example, yellow text on a dark background. High-quality images. Use a resolution of at least 1280 by 720 pixels for the best results. Facial expressions or emotions. Close-ups of faces with exaggerated expressions attract attention. Example, a surprised or shocked face alongside your title. Focus on one key element. Avoid overcrowding. Highlight the main subject of the video. Example, use arrows or circles to guide the viewer's eye. Tools to create your thumbnails. Now that you know what makes a great thumbnail, let's talk about the tools you can use to create one. Canva.com. It's free and easy. Photoshop, much more advanced. Photo AI Background Remover. Use this tool to remove backgrounds and isolate image subjects. Remove.bg. Step-by-step method to design a thumbnail. Plan your thumbnail before filming. Think about the thumbnail when scripting your video. This ensures you can take relevant photos or screenshots. Example, for a cooking video, pose with the finished dish. Take a high-quality photo. Take a photo or screenshot with good lighting and focus. Open your design tool. Start with a blank canvas, 1280 by 720 pixels. Add background and subject. Select a vibrant background. Insert your subject and position it prominently. Incorporate your text. Add large, bold text summarizing your video's value. Example, 5-minute hacks. Add effects and finishing touches. Utilize overlays, drop shadows or outlines for a polished look. Common thumbnail mistakes to avoid. Even the best creators make mistakes, but here are a few to avoid. Too much text. Keep it simple. No one wants to read a paragraph in a thumbnail. Overcrowded design. Focus on one clear message. Don't add too many elements. Clickbait without delivery. Misleading thumbnails hurt your audience retention and trust. Not testing different styles. Experiment with multiple designs to see what works best for your audience. Bonus tips for boosting click-through rate. Here are some extra tips to take your thumbnails to the next level. Use consistent branding, colors, fonts to make your channel recognizable. Test multiple thumbnails using A/B testing tools like TubeBuddy. Study successful creators in your niche for inspiration. Review your thumbnail. Does your thumbnail catch the eye? Does it convey the idea of your video? Does it make the viewer curious? And that's it. With these tips, you're now equipped to create thumbnails that demand attention and skyrocket your views. Which tip will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a fellow creator. and subscribe for more tips on mastering YouTube. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.